With all the grilling, barbecuing, and church suppers still to come, if you don't want your side dishes to fall into the, oh, not that again category, then we have just what you're looking for. It's an old-fashioned German potato salad that's always welcome. We start by boiling about 4 pounds of thinly sliced potatoes. Once they're tender, we drain them. And while they cool, we finish cooking some bacon until it's crispy. Then we take it out of the pan and add a bit of vegetable oil and a chopped onion to the drippings. When the onion is tender, we stir in some vinegar, water, sugar, and a bit of salt. Now the potatoes go in along with half of the crumbled bacon and some chopped parsley. And after it warms through, we top it with the rest of the bacon and it's ready to serve. And do we ever have options? We can serve it hot right from the skillet, at room temperature, or even chilled. And with the smokiness of the bacon, the zing of the vinegar, and the tang from the onion, what's not to love? And like always, to get the recipe for our German potato salad, all you have to do is go online now. This way you'll be ready when you want something different that's really tasty. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an old world way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Smells good.
Tasty.